Starting large and trimming down ensures that your hourglass units are absolutely accurate. Start with hourglass units that are about 1.5 inches to 1 3/8 inches larger than the desired finished size, using the center point as a guide and adding 1/2 inch for the seam allowance. Draw lines on the top and right edge of the unit. Rotate the unit and draw lines on the other 2 edges. If your ruler has a 45-degree diagonal line like this Havel sewing ruler, align it along one diagonal seam. Once your lines are drawn, trim the hourglass unit, rotating it in order to cut along each marked line. When you trim your hourglass units with this method, accuracy is guaranteed.